With every cycle, washing machines are exposed to great volumes of water, harsh detergent, and tremendous mechanical force. With frequent use, a malfunction is virtually inevitable. Even though most washing machine electrical problems are best left to the experts, many people would be surprised at the problems they can solve on their own with a washing machine troubleshooting plan. Now, let's take a look at some common washing machine issues and how to troubleshoot them. A first step when troubleshooting any appliance is to confirm that it's drawing power. If your washing machine isn't showing any signs of life, check that the machine is plugged in. If the outlet is dead, try to reset the circuit at the breaker. If your washing machine is powered down in the middle of a cycle, it may have shut down from being overloaded. Remove several garments and reset the washing machine by unplugging it and plugging it back in. If your washer powers on but won't run, there could be a problem with the lid switch. If you press the switch and it doesn't click, it may need to be replaced. If you notice water leaking from your washing machine, first try to determine where the water is coming from. If water is leaking from the front of a front-loading machine, there's likely a faulty door seal. If the seal has a buildup of soap scum or minerals, clean it off. If the door seal has visible signs of deterioration, replace it. If water is leaking from under or behind the machine, or if your machine isn't draining, check the machine's different fittings. Finally, it's possible that a leak could be due to using too much detergent. A washing machine that doesn't spin properly could be due to a faulty lid switch, as described above. If your washer isn't direct drive, the problem could be a broken belt. You can open your washer and look inside to see if a belt appears damaged. This problem can also be caused by a malfunctioning motor, in which case you would need to seek help from a professional. If you feel like your machine is shaking too forcefully, there could be a minor issue. Often, the solution is to relevel the washer. Place a level on top of the washer. If it's off, adjust the feet as needed. A shaking washer can also be due to an unbalanced load. Pause the cycle and readjust the garments inside so the weight is distributed evenly. A common problem with washing machines is the presence of an unpleasant odor. This is most often caused by mildew and biofilm that accumulates because of the constant moisture. You can remedy this by scrubbing visible signs of mildew. You can also run a light load of spare towels with hot water and well-diluted vinegar or bleach. If your washer troubles aren't solved with an easy fix, there's no need to pay for a high washing machine repair cost out of pocket. Liberty Home Guard provides affordable home warranties. You can request a free quote on our website.